have fun. Okay.
They told me a newborn king to see.
Yeah. Merry Christmas to our friends, our subscribers, and all our families, especially mom, dad, and all, especially your father, your mother, sisters, brothers, and all your friends. Yeah. Merry Christmas all the world.
Merry Christmas, everyone. This song is dedicated to our subscribers. Remember to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get when we upload. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So we're finally here at the park, and this is the result of last night. We went to sleep at like 3. And roast and banana cake and taro. How cute is this park? I've never been here.
Oh yeah.
I've only been over there.
How?
Because we came here with Vic. Yeah. You have to pull the other side. It's a Christmas tradition. Go. It's already, yeah.
You know you're gonna lose. You're a cheater.
I won. Woohoo! Merry Christmas! Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. How's the barbecue going, everyone? Oh, yep. Very nice. Hi, Willie. That's my cousin, Lippo, my bro, Ossie. Hi, Auntie.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, you all.
Mom, where's the ball? Guys, I just got back from picking up my cousins because they were on lockdown.
We about to burn the fucking club.
Oh, excuse the song, but I went and picked them up. I just finished eating. We have so much food here, guys. Some chicken here. Hi, Ossie. Merry Christmas, Ossie. Oh, the food's that way. I'm gonna show you guys the food. We're about to go play volley after. There's some drinks.
What's your favorite word? Scrunches.
We got some ham, chicken nibbles. What's that? Stuffs. And then we got some kebabs, sausages. Just so much food. Bread. We got some salad. We got some sia. And we got some pie.
What's your name again?
Sia.
Come here, Zai. I was watching your filming thing
Oh yeah?
on like YouTube or something.
Oh, was that Sarah's birthday?
Yeah, I was watching it.
Oh. Did you see yourself?
Margaret typed it up because my Margaret used my name. Dada.
We're gonna play a game, right, Sia?
Oh gosh, no. Okay, should we play?
Oh, we're gonna play Never Have I Ever. Alright, never have I ever. We'll just start with 5 because I've only got 5 hands. 5 hands? 5 fingers? 5 fingers available at the moment. So, when I say never have I ever done something, if you've done it, you have to put your hands down. And whoever gets down to 0, they lose. Alright, so you go first. I'll go first to give you an example. Never have I ever kissed a boy. Hey, you're lying! No, I'm waiting for you to put yours down. Because I haven't. Stop lying. I haven't. Stop lying. Stop lying.
Okay, I kissed my dad.
Oh, whatever.
Kissed my dad, my brother in the cheek there.
Alright, your turn.
Never have I ever. Oh, what a hater.
What do you say?
Never have I ever dated a guy. Hey!
Shame you have! What a shame! Alright. Never have I ever stolen something from the shops.
I haven't.
Stop lying! You stop lying, I don't believe you. You would have stolen bull or something.
I have not.
You would have.
I haven't.
You're such a liar, I don't believe
I
you.
haven't.
I don't believe you. You're cheating.
I'm not cheating. She assuming stuff like she knows it.
Alright, then go. It's your turn.
You're losing.
It's your turn, go.
Never have I ever cried over food.
Definitely have. I remember when I used to come home from school and there was no food, I used to get so pissed off, eh?
I've never.
Okay. Yes, you have! Never have I ever worked at Woolworths.
I hate you. Never have I ever. Never have I ever.
No, that's an inappropriate question.
No, I don't care. Well, I won.
Whatever, guys. That was whatever. I still won.
I won.
Yeah, you did actually. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show off my new glasses. These are actually Molly Girls. Molly Girls here now. We've got a full game going on right now. And I'm just chilling with my baby Eddie. Hi, baby Eddie. Hi, baby Eddie. Hello, baby. Hello, papito. What are you eating? Guys, witness this. The breakage of the swing. Breaking news. Breaking news, literally. It's gonna be the breaking news. Literally. Bro.
We're not racing, mate.
Exactly. Everyone look away. I'm trying not to. What, this go? Can I not embarrass? Just go, Kua. Just jump on it. Go, oh my god, it's not even that scary. Yes, everyone go before her because it'll be your last. Go push hard when you swing. It will. Yeah, go back.
You have to hold your upper body up.
No, Welly! Swing! Swing! Yeah, but you have to hold it to there and put all your swing! Just hold it! Go jump low on me!
So go stop properly.
Ooh, I just wanna get you closer, babe.
Vài ngô mấy lê pipi news mà lê news 7 news 7 news.
Oh my god, I'm not. Guys, witness this.
I think it's the other one.
Oh, we got no way, right?
I want you your turn now.
Hold your phone. Yeah,
No, let it. There you go. Okay.
You know,
no.
you're letting the supporters down.
Who's the
They're all
supporters?
ready with their camera.
Guys,
Rolling.
Molly's about to have a go.
Your cousin.
Beware.
One. Hello.
Wait, I can feel it breaking.
You egg.
Sorry. I just feel it like, yeah, get off.
Molly, hey, wala mga. Next minute lang.
Like, man, this whole thing collapsing.
Eh, they all surprise. Go, Ingy. Wait, hey!
All right, we're playing Lappe. Who's first? I'm on the kicking team. What the heck? It's going to be a hell of a lot of trouble trying to get the balls when it's our turn. I'm not running.
Flying, are you coming
I
out?
don't know how to do that. Oh, why?